The recipes, views, and opinions expressed in this channel are solely those of the speaker. They do not reflect, collaborate, or substitute the views and opinions of a medical health professional. Please consult a professional with any dietary concerns and inquiries prior to trying the recipes. Welcome to the channel.
I'm cooking with Namya. I'm cooking with Namya.
Hey, it's Namya. You made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. Please be sure to hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new recipes on YouTube. Please be sure to sign up on my website, imcookingwithnamya.com, to get full recipe details. You can also purchase this downloadable recipe card on my website along with any other of your favorite recipes on my channel. Thank you once again.